Hi guys, Beast Mode Chili Reviews here. Now, I've had these for a little while and I wanted to get around to doing the review on them because obviously, you know, there's two here, so I was going to do it in two parts, but I've decided I might as well just do it in one video, and I've got a drink with me just because obviously, you know, you're going to get a dry mouth from it. Now, looking at the packs here, these are the loaded fire eaters, range from Seabrook. And they do a very good Worcestershire sauce flavour. So I do like Seabrooks crisps. Now we've got Smokehouse Cayenne, which is on the back here, 2 out of 3 chili rating. And then we've got the Trinidad Scorpion chili, and that is a full 3 out of 3 heat rating on the back here. You can see that. So, funnily enough, guys, I noticed that the packs of them are actually slightly different sizes. You can see the Trinidad Scorpion is quite a bit bigger. But if you look on the back of it, the amount of grams is exactly the same. It's 150 grams. So, looking at the back now, we've got the fat and protein ratings, nutrition information is almost exactly the same between these two. So we'll do the Cayenne first. It's just got salt, tomato powder. I'm going to probably skip all the preservatives. Sugar, spices, cinnamon, black pepper, cumin, smoked paprika, rice flour, onion powder, caramel sugar. And then there's some sodium star, spice extract, garlic powder, smoke flavouring. So there is some kind of extract in here. And in this one, it's actually got the same, but it's not the Trinidad Scorpion extract. It says spice extract, habanero chili powder, Trinidad Scorpion chili powder, and bird's eye chili. So the spice extract in there, and then this has got habanero as well. So these should be decently hot if it's all three of those things. So get me with a dry mouth. I'll take a sip of my drink first, guys. We'll do this one first. All right. Smells nice. It's got that distinctive paprika smell with a slightly onion kick. Let's give one a go. So you can see you don't get as many as they show on the pack. Obviously it's condensed right down, but yeah. All right, here we go. That's nice. Pleasant flavour. Slight bit of heat coming on the back now. It's very mild. And also what I like about them, guys, is they're thick cut. You can see how thick these are. So good amount of crunch to them. The flavour is sort of like a mixture of paprika and onion, just like it smells. It's just a stronger version of that with spices. You can taste a bit of cumin in there. See the dustings of paprika on there. If you've tried paprika crisps, these are pretty similar with slightly more spice to them. That's how they taste, like paprika. But it's cayenne. And that's what cayenne is paprika. So, had a bit of these now, and I can give them a good score on flavour and heat. Heat is about a 0.2, 0.3. It's something stupidly low. They're not hot at all. I'm hoping these ones... Actually, there is a warm... You know that pizza I did the other day? It's about on par with that in terms of heat. There's just a small amount of heat. It's a warm glow. In terms of flavour, I'm going to give these 6.5 out of 10, maybe a 6 to 6.5. Really nice. So Moorish crisps. I feel like these with a dip would be amazing. If you have like a Doritos dip or something like that, these would be really good. So we're going to the hotter ones now, guys. So here we go. Yeah, there is a lot of air in the bag as well, but this is the Trinidad Scorpion. Okay, there's a bit of heat on those. I would say maybe a 0.5 for heat, creeping up to a 1. It's just quite a slow builder. These are going to be interesting. All right, here we go. So they don't smell strongly at all. The other ones had a stronger smell. There's a oh, that was a peppery hit. There's a peppery hit to them, but they just don't have much of a scent. I can just taste I can smell a slight spice to it. This is going to be a creeper though, because obviously the powder just went up my nose a little bit. So here we go, number 1. Looking at them, there is like paprika and stuff on there as well. The flavour is a lot more muted than those. Those ones are a lot more flavourful. I'll give another one a go. Right, I'm tasting a bit of Trinidad Scorpion now. I'll tell you what, it's starting to build now, but compared to the sauces and stuff I reviewed, these are quite mild. It's like a muted version of a Trinidad Scorpion sauce. It's just the same burn, but it's just not as severe. Now, God, that's quite a few in there. Perhaps you had to eat more of these to get more of a spice out of them, just as I started to notice towards the end. So they are slow builders. Now I'm starting to get more of a hit on the tongue. It's the typical Trinidad type burn. Yeah, starting to build now. In terms of flavour, they're quite bland, if I'm honest. There's a slight Trinidad Scorpion flavour to them. But I think you'd want to pair this with a dip. That'd be pretty banging then, because you get the nice heat mixture. In terms of heat, so far I'm getting maybe about a 4. But for crisps, that's pretty good. So these are hot crisps. yeah, it's it's definitely that characteristic Trinidad Scorpion taste as well. The taste has gotten stronger of Trinidad Scorpion. That's really all I'm tasting. I can't taste any of the other stuff in here. Onion powder, garlic powder, yeast extract. There's a lot less ingredients than in the first one. You can see here, look, that's the ingredients for the first one, and that's the ingredients for this. It's about half the size. So that would probably explain why there's not as much taste. Heat's starting to build a little bit now. It's definitely, I want to say, about 4. Compared to what I'm used to trying and stuff, this is, yeah, probably about 4. Which, for a crisp, is really hot. Creeping again. It's going up now. That's gone up to a 5. Interesting. Well, there you go, guys. That's I've got a warm glow now, so if you eat these and you're not used to chilies, it is going to probably blow your head off a little bit. Yeah, I'd give them probably about a 4 or 5 out of 10. They seem to be building the more of it, so that's probably the way to do it. Just smash them down and you will get a good burn from these. Now, that's going to be it, guys. That's the loaded fries, loaded fire range from Seabrook. Loaded fire eaters, sorry. And yeah, check them out in your local stores. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.